Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this triangle ABC along with this segment MN, as you can see in this diagram, such that this segment MN is parallel to this segment BC, and moreover this segment AM is 8x minus 7. This segment MB is 5x minus 3. This segment AN is 4x minus 3. This segment NC is 3x minus 1. And furthermore, this segment MN is 2x minus 1, whereas this segment BC is 2x plus 1. And now our task is to calculate the perimeter of this triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we could calculate the perimeter of this triangle ABC, we must find the value of x first. And now let's recall the triangle proportionality theorem. According to this theorem, if a line parallel to one side of the triangle intersects the other two sides, then it divides the other two sides proportionally, as you can see in this given diagram. As you can see, these two segments DE and AB are parallel to each other, and this line DE intersects these two sides of this triangle, such that we have segments A, B, C and D over here. Then this could be written as in terms of proportion, A divided by B equals to C divided by D. So therefore we can assume that this AM segment we can label it as lowercase a. This segment BM I'm going to label as lowercase b. This segment AN as lowercase c, and finally this segment NC as lowercase d. Then we can fill in the blanks in this proportion. In our case, our A is 8x minus 7 divided by 5x minus 3 equals to 4x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 1. And now we are going to cross multiply. Let's multiply 8x minus 7 times 3x minus 1 equals to, we are going to multiply 5x minus 3 times 4x minus 3. And now we are going to multiply them by doing the double distribution. Likewise, we are going to multiply as well. So therefore, this could be written as 24x square minus 8x minus 21x plus 7 equals to 20x square minus 15x minus 12x plus 9. And now we are going to combine the like terms over here, and likewise we are going to combine these like terms as well. And now we are going to subtract 20x square, 27x and 9 from both sides, and here on the left hand side that is going to give us 4x square minus 2x minus 2 equals to, this cancels out with this one, this is gone with this one, and likewise this cancels out with this one. So we are ended up with the 0 on the right hand side. And now I am going to divide each and every term by 2 to make our job simple. So therefore that is going to give us 2x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So thus we are ended up with this quadratic equation 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, and we are going to solve for x by grouping and factoring. You may use the quadratic formula to solve this given quadratic equation as well. And now we are going to tweak this middle terms. This negative x could be written as negative 2x plus 1x. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this negative x, this middle term, by this negative 2x plus x. And now we can see between first these two terms, 2x is in common, and likewise in this last two terms, 1 is in common. So therefore I can factor out 2x from here. We got x minus 1 plus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 0. And now we can see x minus 1 and x minus 1, they are in common. So therefore I can factor out x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And now we are going to separate these two factors, x minus 1 equal to 0 and the other factor 2x plus 1 equal to 0. For this first equation, our x value turns out to be positive 1. For this second equation, our x value turns out to be negative 1 divided by 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see x equal to negative 1 divided by 2 value is not feasible. If we substitute x value as negative 1 divided by 2 over here, that is going to give us negative 2 minus 3. That means this whole side length turns out to be negative 5. And we know the side length cannot be negative value. So therefore we are going to reject this negative value of x and we are going to accept x equal to positive 1 value. So thus our x value turns out to be 1. And now we are going to substitute this x equal to 1 value in all these expressions over here, as you can see. If we replace x value by 1 over here, that is going to give us 1. Likewise, if we substitute x value as 1 over here, that is going to give us 1 as well. Over here, if we substitute x value over here, that is going to give us 2. Likewise, this is going to give us 2 as well. And this, if we substitute over here, that is going to give us 3. And if we substitute x value over here, that is going to give us 1. So thus our segment lengths turn out to be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 1. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole side length AB is going to be 1 plus 2. That is going to give us 3 units. And likewise, for this other side length AC, we are going to add 1 plus 2, and that is going to give us 3 units as well. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this triangle AB, and we can see the perimeter is going to be equal to the side length AB plus side length BC plus side length CA. As you can see over here, these side lengths, and we know our side length AB is 3 units, BC length is 3, and finally CA length is 3 as well. So therefore the perimeter of this triangle ABC is going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is going to give us 9 units. So thus the perimeter of this triangle ABC turns out to be 9 units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.